Hi, I'm Ron with the Code Guys. Today I want to show you how to begin making an Access database. I am using Access 2007, and so notice that when you first open Access, what you have is a blank database link or other links that you could choose, but we're going to create a database from scratch. So you want to click on Blank Database, and then when you do that, notice that over on the right you have the name of a database. And by default, Access will give it the name of Database 1 or Database 2. I have a name here. I'm going to take this name out and I'm going to put in a name that I want to call this database. I'm calling it Family Ties. When you do this, you want to make sure that you leave in the .accdb because the computer will need that to know what type of file it is. Then over on the right hand side there's a little folder, and so you want to click that and say where it is you want to save your file. So I want to save mine to a folder that I created on the desktop, and I created a folder called Access. So I'll choose that. And so Family Ties is the name of the database, and it will be saved in the Access folder, and click OK. Alright, so now I've given it a name, I've given it a place, and so click Create. Okay, and as soon as you click Create, then what happens is now you have a database. It's called Family Ties in this case, and it shows that you are using Access 2007. Automatically what's happened is you have created your first table, and it has the default name of Table 1. And in these tables you're going to create fields, and then you'll go back and populate the fields with your records. But what I want to do at this point is to save this table. So I'm going to click on the Save icon, and I get the Save As dialog box for the table, and table name is not descriptive enough, so I'm going to give it a different name. So I've given it the name Cousins and click OK. And there's the name of it. Now I want to create another table, and I can come back later and fill in these fields and the records. But for now I want to create a second table, so click on Create and Table. And notice now you have Table 1 as a default name again, and so I'm going to click on the Save icon, and the Save As dialog box comes up, and I'll give this one a specific name too. And this one is Grandparents. So now I have two tables inside of this database, and both of them need to be worked on as far as creating fields and then putting in records. But that's going to be in the second video for Access, so be sure to watch for that. So thank you for watching. Stay tuned for upcoming videos. Don't forget to rate, subscribe, and comment. Until next time, this is Ron with the Code Guys.